here in Madagascar. And thanks to my God that I'm living here. But when I've listened to many people here in Tamara, this city is very dangerous from there. But I'm not really convinced on that, because here in Tamara, you can see all the type of people around the world in Madagascar. There is a Chinese, there is American guy, there is Australian, there is a French guy here, there is Arabic, how say that? Arabic guy. I don't know, but there is many people live here in Tamara. There is Madagascar people from south, from north, from east, from here, and from west. As me personally, I come from North Madagascar, in Vuemara. See? Me, I come from Vuemara. Yeah, I'm from Vuemara, but I came here to study, and I live here 10 years ago. And I see a lot of advantage when I'm living here. That's why I live here in Tamara. For example, here in Tamara, especially, that's the reason why that I do YouTube video, because I'm in the difficult time. I'm in the difficult area to find a job, looking a job. But I see here in Tamara, there is a lot of company, there is a lot of industry. I think that here in Tamara, there is a lot of money, there is a lot of people, there is a lot of huge company you could apply your CV. I mean that for me, the city or the place where there is many people, it is opportunity for somebody to think. And here in Tamara also, there is many people who lack of knowledge. For example, I choose to be teach. I think that here in Tamara is the best place for me, teaching people. Because people here, they think they know something. People here in Tamara, they think that they know how to do something. They think they know how to communicate to people. They think they know how to make a lot of money. But I think that they need teaching, because they waste their money for nothing. Every area there is a bar. You see, there is a bar for any area. And most of the teenagers and young people, they dream. They're dancing, as Michael said, dancing, kill thinking. And I see that they need knowledge to manage their time, to manage their money. That's what I found inside my mind right here. That's why I choose to educate people. But I know educate people is not easy, but it should be. Because of, I come from north, I have no family here. There is nobody can help me to apply with the job. You see, how to say that if you don't have a family or money, it's gonna be hard for you to work with a big company. But I made up my mind to work on myself, try self-development. I think that the best place for the self-development, for a teacher who want to teach that, here in Thailand. And that's pretty good. How do you look here in Thailand?
Well, version of Tana. Tana is a couple, but it's very bad. All life there is running, and I hate life with running, with rushing. I hate it. The fact that Tamara, you say Tamara is a couple of economic, first couple is time. And here, Tamara has a lot of benefit. Why? Because here Tamara come back there. Here Tamara come back. Here Tamara come back. Here Tamara they would be here. If I didn't move to here, I didn't get my people. But because of this Tamara, the things with Tamara, I come up here. And if you compare this with another town, in some town, we have no grade. Just dry place. It's really dry. Oh, we need the water. And when the water comes, we'll stop. Right there at the place. Oh, stop water. But here, morning, raining, afternoon, boom, sunny. You see, two things at the same time. Just one day, you could see sun, you could see rain. In that place, there is what we call summer, there is what we call, the fourth winter. The old. But here, we just see how there is raining, tomorrow is sunny day, raining, sunny day, just exchange like that. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold, and it's good. And here, the place where it's very easy to find money. It is easy to find money. If you are lazy to find money there, collect your luggage, sit on the road, and then say, and you will have something to eat for today, just today. Most people are living here who are very lazy, they do it. They are in good form, but they are lazy to find work. Then they just ask, come on, give me, just for me. They give. Of course they give, just not for today. And if you have a good mentality, good body, of course you will have a lot of money. But the only thing I'm going to show you, this number 4. I think we have beautiful eyes. Look at it. Touch it. Hold it. You see? Read it for me. What was it there? Number 4. Yeah, read it.
Clarity is power.
Power. Okay. There is a little word there under of it. Can you read it? Hello?
Whenever one person, most people don't get what they want.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Whenever one person, most people don't get what they want is that they don't know what they want.
So the only problem is that they don't know what they want. That's why they start there. If they know what they want, they can have it. If you know what you want, if you know what you want, you can have it. Like my coach said to me, hey Mike, if you know what you really want, I can show you the way you can have it. That's just it. And now I can say that to my students, all my students. If you know what you really want, I can show you the way you can have it. That's it. We can still talk about that. Time is up. We love to talk here, and time is leaving us. So next time we'll do more. If God wills. If we will do it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for all of us. So it's coming here today. Thank you for you, teacher. Thank you for you. And I think that today is our last day here. I will leave you, not forever, but for the school. Maybe we will meet in the road. You can talk to me, you can practice with me, and even with this guy. Maybe this guy will pass you by me. I'm sure that for this year, I think that it is finished for this year, that I'm here, because I'm here to help you to a lot of things to do about make money, self-development, increasing the knowledge. We are today now talking about self-esteem also. This is the most important one. I think that it is your advantage. Do the thing as what I've said to you, and you will see the magic. There is magic. Okay? If you keep doing that, you will realize yourself how long you've stayed in time and time, you will understand who you are. There is something magical for you.